Where's the remote?
Yurika, next. Yurika, where are you going?
I think she's doing something.
Yurika, next.
We are having technical issues right now. Please stand by. Please enjoy the song while we wait.
How about that? It's picture.
This?
Picture down.
Oh, speaker.
What is this picture?
I don't know, it's pictures.
I'm not a speaker.
Intermission.
It's all waiting.
Ah, okay. You know what, Mario? Olivia Rodrigo. What are beautiful things, huh? No, that's not the song right
A
now.
whole new world. Kuya is Kuya. Kuya is Kuya.
Ang world?
Beauty, ayun na, a whole new world.
This?
You know that one?
Yeah, I know that.
Kuya is Kuya.
Okay.
This song is A Whole New World by Melody.
This song is brought to you by Singing Karaoke.
Sino yan?
I'm so shining, shimmering, splendid. Shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, know when did you last let your heart decide? I can open your eyes,
Moses mo pala yan.
take you wonder by wonder, over sideways and under on the magic carpet ride. A whole new world, when you fantastic for me. No one to tell us no, or where to go, or say we're only dreaming of new dreaming days for you and me. Sorry, man. Very cool.
Sorry, Mike, that will be your turn next. I don't know.
This is who I'm meant to be. Oh, I'm all that.
Okay. Let's just change the search.
About Tagalog songs.
Okay.
Nung alala niya.
Oh,
Yung siguro yung ikaw. Ano? Ikaw at ikaw daw.
Ano yun?
Pasito.
Ikaw at ikaw. Ayun ka kami.
Pasito, pasito. Pasito. Ito na, pasito.
Pasito. Okay!
Pasito.
Oh, yun yun.
Pasito, pasito. Pasito.
Dali ka. Wait, tabi dyan. Dali.
What are you doing? I don't know.
Oh, yun ka. Yun ka, Michael. Ano, Yuri?
Lalala, basta ang dami lang.
lumalaban pala sa inyo. May nagdidito ka.
Go on here, ladies in the club!
Fireworks!
All the single ladies! Stand up! One song. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind? Wanna start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin? Like a house of cards, I'm no getting in. Do you ever feel already very deep? 6 feet under street, but no one seems to hear a thing. Do you know that there's still a chance for you? 'Cause there's a spark in you. You just gotta ignite the light and then shine. Just on the night, like the spark of the light. Maybe you're a firework, so watch the world. Make it go shoot across the sky. Maybe you're a firework, come and let the colors burn. Make it go we're gonna lift them all and You don't have to feel like a waste of space. You're already enough, and I'll be your face. If you only knew what the future holds, after a hurricane comes the rainbow. Many reasons why all the doors are closed, so you can open one that leads you to the perfect soul. Like a lightning bolt, driving alone, and when it's time to know, you just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like a spark of the night. Baby, you're a firework, coming so much your world. Make it go as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework, come and make the colors burn. Make it go we're gonna lift them all in Boom, 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 even brighter than the moon, now. It's always been inside of you, and now it's time to let it through.
Baby, you're a
Firework, come so watch the world. Make it go You're a firework, come and let your colors burn. Make it go
We're gonna lift them all and
even brighter than the moon. Boom, 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 even brighter than the moon.
Boom! Chill.
Yeah. You make me happier.
Oh. Only for a minute.
Only for a minute, 'cause you make me happier.
Is it the right song?
I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the morning comes, until the evening comes, we go like a day, when fire do you be gone. Every argument, every word we can stay back. Cause it all has happened and I think that we're going how only the story ends. Then only for a minute I want to change my mind. This just don't feel right to me. I want to raise your spirits, I want to see you smile, but no, that means I'll have to leave. Oh, that means I'll have to leave. Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier, I want you to be happier. But the easy falls and left her with my thoughts, and the image of you being someone else was eating me up inside. But we had our goals, we pretended we were okay. Now as we come together, this we can stray far away from the red beat. Then only for a minute, I want to change my mind. This just don't feel right to me. I want to raise your spirit, I want to see you smile. No, that means I'll have to leave. Oh, that means I'll have to leave. I've been thinking, I want you to be happier, I want you to be happier. I'll go, I'll go, I'll go, so I'll go, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. And only for a minute, I want to change my mind. This just don't feel right to me. I want to raise your spirit, I want to see you smile. No, that means I'll have to leave.
Bye. Where
Where
you going?
I know. Me, my turn. My turn ako naman. I think I pressed 1 too many.
This commercial is brought to you by Red Horse. Ang beer na walang katapusan.
Beautiful, ano ba? In white, beautiful girl.
Beautiful girls all over the world. Ha, too bad that's not what I'm singing.
You look so beautiful in white.
You look so beautiful in white. Oh, while there rivers run, lily out and golden, and last for both summers I recall. And I see everyone
How about this? How about this?
Nice, nice. Do you know this? Do you know ano? Tipsy. Tipsy.
I think,
Tipsy Tipsy by Shabuzi. What's your word? What's your word?
I'm living